Hello everyone. Today we'll show you 3 smart ways to repair holes, from cute and creative fixes to clean and invisible ones. Tip 1. Heart-shaped hole repair. A pair of jeans has a hole. Don't throw it away just yet. Try this simple repair trick to create a cute accent on your jeans. First, fold a piece of paper in half like this. Use scissors to cut out a small heart shape. Place it over the hole on the jeans pocket. Use a pen to trace the shape onto the fabric like this. Where are you watching from? Please leave a comment and let me know. It's so nice to know we can connect from all around the world. Next, choose a thread with a bright, eye-catching color. Bring the needle up from the back of the fabric. Stitch vertical lines from top to bottom, one by one. These stitches should be parallel and evenly spaced. Be careful not to pull too tight so the fabric doesn't wrinkle. After finishing the vertical stitches of the heart shape, switch to another contrasting bright thread color. Now make the horizontal stitches like this. Use the needle to weave over and under the vertical threads. When finished weaving, insert the needle into the inside of the jeans to secure the horizontal thread. Continue with the second row. Alternate the up and down stitches between the lines to create a decorative effect for the heart. Repeat until the entire heart is filled. Once the heart is finished, bring the needle to the back of the fabric and tie a small knot to secure everything. And just like that, the hole is perfectly covered. The little heart adds a fresh and charming touch to our jeans. Tip 2. 3D flower hole repair. The shirt has a tiny little hole like this. Don't worry, let's decorate it with a beautiful 3D flower. Use a pen to draw a circle around the hole like this. Use 2 needles and cross them to form an X shape. For larger holes, you should use a backing fabric to reinforce the area. Now take the threaded needle and bring it up from the back of the fabric. Start wrapping the thread around the X like this. Wrap gently and evenly to make sure the threads don't overlap. Continue wrapping in a circular motion until you reach the desired size. Now, push the needle down through the fabric to secure the thread. Next, bring the needle up near the inner edge of the circle. Gently pull the thread, then push the needle down near the outer edge. Repeat this stitch all the way around the circle. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's wonderful to see your support. Now look, the circle looks just like raised flower petals, beautiful and full. Remove the needles. Use a contrasting thread color to make the flower center. We use French knot stitches to create it. Because these are small holes, be careful not to pull too hard or the knots may slip inside. Continue making French knots until the center is filled. Finally, use green thread to embroider simple leaves around the flower like this. And just like that, the hole is perfectly covered. The raised flower makes the shirt look fresh, unique, and eye-catching. Tip 3. Square-shaped hole repair. You have a hole like this. Don't worry. In this tip, I'll share a clever way to repair it beautifully so it looks like new. First, I use a ruler and a pen to draw a small square around the hole. Use a needle and thread in a color you like. Now, bring the needle up from the back of the fabric right next to the edge of the hole. Sew long straight stitches to create the outline of the square. Then, bring the needle up again right next to that stitch. From this point, bring the needle down on the opposite side like this. Continue with the next side of the square. Watch carefully so the square is evenly covered and looks neat and decorative. Repeat until the square is completely filled. It's really simple, isn't it? This repair method is very strong and perfect for everyday clothing. Have you ever tried repairing a hole this way? Please share your own repair tips in the comments. I'd love to know which method you use. Finally, bring the thread to the inside and secure it like this. With just a needle and thread, you can keep your favorite clothes instead of throwing them away. I hope these 3 simple sewing tips help you feel more confident repairing clothes at home. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with anyone who loves sewing. See you in the next video.